Welcome to Talk Point. Attention turns to recent political and legal developments involving former National Security Advisors John Bolton and key US leaders. Bolton has been cooperating with federal authorities regarding documents related to his time in government. Officials confirm that investigations are ongoing and he is complying with all required procedures, reflecting the standard judicial review process. In Chicago, Mayor Brandon Johnson continues to address challenges in city governance, including policy decisions on public safety, budget allocations, and community programs. City officials emphasize their commitment to transparency, accountability, and responsive leadership as they navigate these complex issues. Meanwhile, House Majority Leader Hakeem Jeffries remained engaged in legislative priorities and oversight activities in Congress. Verified reports indicate he is actively involved in shaping policy discussions and guiding his caucus on key national issues. Experts note that political and legal developments often occur simultaneously, creating a dynamic environment while public perception, media coverage, and official actions intersect. Observers stress the importance of relying on verified information while interpreting these events. Political analysts emphasize that while sensationalist claims sometimes circulate online, adherence to verified reporting and legal documentation is essential to maintaining public trust. The ongoing attention to Bolton Chicago governance and congressional leadership reflects broader public interest in transparency and accountability across all levels of government. As the developments continue, citizens, officials, and policymakers are monitoring the situation closely, balancing legal compliance, public communications, and political responsibilities. The emphasis remains on fact-based understanding and informed discussion as the nation observes these events unfold. This ongoing coverage underscores the intersection of law, politics, and public service, highlighting the responsibilities to leaders to maintain integrity while navigating complex challenges. The nation watches as these verified developments shape policy, governments, and public awareness.